Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with tracks armed mentally for automation. Pick the track, then press it to open Automation View so you can see lanes immediately. Once done, pick the mode. Use touch for small nudges, latch for sustained moves, or right for bold changes. Next, select the parameter from the lane pop-up, volume, pan, or a specific plugin control. Make sure the control is visible and not grouped away. This prevents surprises when you record your first pass. Now record or draw the automation data. Press play and perform the move if you prefer hands-on recording, or switch to the pencil tool to sketch precise curves. Once you have data, use breakpoints to set exact values and drag segments to reshape transitions. Change the curve tension for smoother fades. Make sure snap and grid are set to your musical division so edits lock to beats. If you need microscopic accuracy, zoom in and nudge points to finish, play back and listen critically. When satisfied, lock lanes or bounce regions to commit automation into audio. Make sure you disable write mode after committing, because leaving it on will overwrite your work during playback. If something sounds off, check that the track's automation mode is set to read so values play back correctly. Confirm the correct lane is active, and verify track grouping isn't forcing changes across multiple tracks. Ungroup if necessary to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.